I think we got 4 wins in the bag, people. The battle was canceled. Boom, we dab on him. Oh. So this is Xiliang Tang's Nationals team that got 8th place. This team is frustrating, baby. Very annoying team to play against. It's the Assault Vest Kyogre with the Wo-Chien, with the Tailwind, with the screens. Gotta go for manual taunts. Well, we certainly gotta bring Crystal Gym. The question is, are we gonna need a Tailwind near the end game? The rain will be up. We may as well try and rip some Bleak Wind Storms. This is gonna be a really hard team. Okay. I hope he didn't leave. Hey, that's better than seeing Grimmsnarl. I never know how to play against Grimmsnarl. Because this thing just goes for Leech Seed. That's fine. This is going to be a slow, grindy game. I wonder if this guy's predicting a U-turn. Wow, that's a fast Rillaboom. That's an extremely fast Rillaboom. Okay. That's fine. We're not too surprised, really. Yep. The question is, who do we Terra? I think we don't Terra anyone yet. I think we just go for some chip damage. This is going to be a game where it's hard not to notice a Slug in Disguise. I hope it's not that Slug in Disguise. Yeah, I agree. Alright. Let's see how much this does. Pretty good damage, honestly, all things considered. Really good damage. Yep. Pollen Puff, Ruination, Will-O-Wisp. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Maybe I should have just stayed in and gone for a high horsepower. Not really thinking about what these guys could do. Ruination? That's fine. Not upset about that. Yeah. Yeah. Let's try and knock this Incineroar out right now. This is an important puzzle piece to get rid of. If I had to guess who would switch in here, it might be Kyogre. So let's try and knock out the Incineroar and go for a Bleak Wind Storm. Yep, we thought so. Kyogre. Oh, Urshifu. This might be pretty bad for you, buddy. Yeah, pretty bad for you. That's fine. Leech Seed's on the field, okay. Ooh, boy, this is a really tedious, complicated game. Man, this is a really complicated game. I know I'm not talking very much, but I'm really trying to think through. Yeah, we saw that happening. Let's do this. We hope both of our Pokemon die right now. We're hoping for a really fast-paced, turbulent endgame. We want both of our Pokemon to die. That's fine. We just do a little chip. Yup. Water Spout? Come on. Heal up what? How much damage did you take? Nothing? Literally nothing. Yup. There we are. And that's Assault Vest for sure. So here we go. This is the end game, man. This is such a weird game. I think we got this win in the bag, though. That's me being a little bit facetious here, but Slugman, what power? Seriously. Okay, let's see how much damage we can rip here. This should be pretty solid damage. He has to either terastalize the Kyogre or switch. Okay, that's a play you can make. It shouldn't matter much. Ah, that does make a difference. That's a pretty solid play. Man, if I had just gone after that thing earlier, I would have been in a way better position, but okay. Too late to whine and moan. We gotta just play the cards we got. Woodhammer goes off first. This is gonna be crazy damage onto that Wo-Chien. Yup. How much is this gonna do? This is gonna be so much. I don't think that this in any way one-shots, but this would be a lot of damage. Yeah. Pretty solid. Miss. Maha. Okay. Still in a decent position here. Woodhammer and Terra Starstorm. This is it! How much does it do? Bam! Wow, almost nothing. This must be all HP and all... I mean, this is crazy. Kill Wo-Chien, please. Wo-Chien's gone. Kyogre's at like a little bit. Holy crap, people. We are so close. Origin Pulse hits both. It hits both, but it does nothing. I think we got 4 wins in the bag, people. The battle was canceled. Boom, we dab on him. Oh. Sorry for the loud pop-off.